Do you find it more difficult to walk, go up and down stairs, or get up and sit down than before? Don't worry, you're not alone. This could be a sign of sarcopenia, a condition of muscle loss commonly seen after the age of 60. As the body ages, muscle mass and strength gradually decline, making movement less flexible. However, the body still has the ability to recover and maintain muscle if properly cared for. The good news is you don't need medication or a complicated workout regimen. Just by adding a few familiar fruits to your daily diet, you can support muscle recovery, reduce inflammation, increase strength, and naturally improve mobility. Let's discover those 5 amazing fruits right now. Avocado, a healthy fat fruit for muscles. If you're looking for a food that is delicious, nutritious, and easy to eat every day to support muscle health, avocado is an ideal friend. This fruit is not only naturally rich and creamy, but also contains many valuable nutrients, especially beneficial for people over 60 who want to recover muscle and maintain mobility. One of the most outstanding features of avocado is its richness in monounsaturated fats, a good type of fat that helps the body reduce chronic inflammation. As we age, low-level inflammation in the body can silently weaken muscle tissues, making us feel weaker, more easily fatigued, or less mobile. The healthy fats in avocado not only help reduce inflammation, but also support the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K, all of which are very important for overall health, including muscle health. In addition to good fats, avocado is also a rich source of potassium and magnesium, 2 essential minerals that help maintain healthy muscle function. Potassium helps regulate electrical signals between muscle cells, ensuring smooth muscle contractions. Magnesium plays a role in stabilizing neuromuscular activity, helping to prevent cramps, a fairly common issue in older adults. When you get enough of these 2 nutrients from natural sources like avocado, you will noticeably feel more ease in daily movements. Avocado is also rich in vitamin E and lutein, 2 antioxidants that help protect muscle cells from damage caused by free radicals. As age increases, muscle cells are more prone to rust due to oxidation, reducing mobility and strength. Vitamin E and lutein help prevent this condition, while also supporting muscle repair and improving joint flexibility. Another major advantage of avocado is its very low sugar content, making it extremely friendly for those with diabetes or high blood pressure, 2 health conditions often associated with aging. You can confidently add avocado to your diet without worrying about raising blood sugar or blood pressure. On the contrary, the healthy fats in avocado can even help stabilize blood sugar and improve cholesterol levels. Effective and delicious ways to use avocado. The great thing is that avocado is very easy to prepare and suits many everyday dishes. You can eat it with boiled or fried eggs for a full energy breakfast, blend avocado with a bit of almond milk and chia seeds, nutritious and easy to digest. Mix avocado into green salads with olive oil and lemon, a light dish rich in anti-inflammatory properties. Mash avocado for sandwiches or use it as a dip instead of mayonnaise. Just half an avocado a day is enough to provide the essential nutrients for your muscles and overall body. In short, avocado is a superfood friendly to older adults, not only helping the body fight inflammation and protect muscles, but also supporting flexible movement and improving overall health. Adding avocado to your daily menu is a small step that brings great benefits for your post-60 health journey. Tart cherry relieves pain and naturally recovers muscles. If you often feel body aches after walking, doing housework, or even light movement, tart cherry could be the wonderful companion you haven't discovered yet. This small fruit not only has a unique flavor, but also offers great benefits for muscle health, especially in those over 60. The first highlight of tart cherry is its very high anthocyanin content, a group of natural pigments that give this fruit its characteristic deep red color. Anthocyanin is not only visually appealing, but also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading causes of muscle damage and weakness over time. When muscles are inflamed, you may feel pain, fatigue, or even gradually lose mobility. By supplementing anthocyanin from tart cherry, you are helping your body put out those smoldering inflammation spots, thereby easing muscle pain, especially after light physical activity. Many scientific studies have shown that drinking pure tart cherry juice helps significantly reduce muscle soreness after exercise, not only for athletes, but also for older adults after simple activities, like walking, gardening, or playing with grandchildren. This is because tart cherry helps speed up the muscle recovery process by reducing inflammation and increasing blood flow to the damaged muscle tissues. An unexpected benefit of tart cherry is that it contains a natural amount of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep. For older adults, deep and sufficient sleep often becomes more difficult. Yet this is a crucial time for the body to repair and regenerate muscle tissues. Melatonin from tart cherry helps you sleep better and deeper, thus creating an ideal environment for muscles to recover overnight. Quality sleep also contributes to better mood, mental well-being, and mobility the following day. Effective. Ways to use tart cherry. One of the simplest ways to reap the benefits of this fruit is by drinking a glass, about 120 ml, of pure tart cherry juice in the evening, about 30–60 minutes before going to bed. This is not only a way to absorb nutrients, but also a relaxing drink that helps prepare the body for a good night's sleep. If you're not used to the sour taste or can't find pure juice, there are now tart cherry extract supplements available, which are convenient and easy to use, especially for older adults who don't like drinking liquids in the evening. You can also use fresh tart cherries, if available, as a topping for unsweetened yogurt or mix them into your morning cereal, both delicious and a great way to start your day with energy. In conclusion, tart cherry is a small fruit with great power in muscle care, pain relief, fast recovery, and supporting sleep. Especially for those over 60, when movement begins to slow down, tart cherry is a gentle yet effective option to maintain daily life quality. Add a glass of tart cherry juice to your evening routine and feel the difference from within. Pomegranate improves blood circulation, provides energy for muscles. As we age, feelings of fatigue and lack of endurance can occur more frequently. Tasks that once seemed easy, like walking, climbing stairs, or gardening, can become slow and cumbersome. In the journey of muscle recovery and protection after the age of 60, there is a fruit that is not only beautiful and delicious, but also extremely beneficial for health that you should not overlook: pomegranate. Pomegranate is a fruit rich in polyphenols, a group of powerful antioxidants that can neutralize free radicals, harmful molecules that cause premature cell aging and increased vulnerability. For muscles, free radicals can reduce strength, making you feel more fatigued and weaker after daily activities. Supplementing polyphenols from pomegranate juice or seeds helps minimize this, while increasing muscle endurance, allowing you to feel healthier and more energetic even after 60. Moreover, pomegranate helps improve blood circulation, a crucial factor in muscle health. Pomegranates contain natural compounds that help the body increase the production of nitric oxide, NO, a molecule that dilates blood vessels. When blood vessels expand, blood flows more effectively, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to nourish muscles. As a result, muscle cells are fully fueled, work more efficiently, and recover faster after activity. Additionally, one very notable benefit of pomegranate is its ability to support mitochondrial health, often referred to as the energy factory inside each cell. Mitochondria produce ATP, the energy needed for muscle contraction, movement, and maintaining strength. As we age, the number and function of mitochondria gradually decline, making the body more prone to fatigue. The antioxidants in pomegranate help protect mitochondria, thereby maintaining the ability to produce energy for muscles, helping you feel more alert and move more flexibly each day. Simple, easy ways to use pomegranate. Pomegranate can be used in many ways depending on preference. Drink a glass, about 120 ml, of pure pomegranate juice every day, preferably in the morning or after a meal. You should choose unsweetened varieties to preserve the health benefits. If you prefer fresh pomegranate, you can peel the arils, and use them with unsweetened yogurt, green salad, or mix them into fruit smoothies, delicious and full of nutrients. Additionally, some people use pomegranate to cook savory dishes like marinades for meat or make dipping sauces an unusual but beneficial addition to your meals. A small note: because pomegranate can interact with certain medications like blood pressure drugs or blood thinners, if you are on medication, consult your doctor before using it regularly. In conclusion, pomegranate is one of the valuable fruits that helps improve blood circulation, increase endurance, and provide energy for muscles, especially useful for those over 60 who want to maintain their health and flexibility. Just a glass of juice or a handful of seeds each day can provide your body with a precious natural source of nutrients to live healthier and happier every day. Prune rebuilds muscles and protects joints. After 60, as we reach the age of 60, many people begin to feel the weakening of their bones and muscles. Movements that were once easy, like bending down to pick something up, squatting or twisting, gradually become more difficult. This is because the natural aging process causes the body to lose bone density and muscle mass. However, the good news is that there is a familiar, easy-to-eat food, rich in nutrients, that can support the process of muscle and bone recovery. That food is prunes. Prunes, though small, contain a combination of nutrients that are extremely important for older adults, especially boron and vitamin K, two essential factors for maintaining strong bones and muscles. Boron is a mineral that helps the body effectively use calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D components necessary for bone development and maintenance. Vitamin K acts as a gatekeeper, coordinating the process of bone mineralization and helping blood clot properly when needed. Together, these two nutrients work as a team to support and protect the structure of bones and muscles. Not only good for bones, prunes also help fight inflammation and slow down muscle degeneration due to their high content of phenolic antioxidants. These natural compounds can clean up free radicals, the culprits that cause cell damage and muscle function decline over time. Eating prunes daily helps reduce chronic inflammation, thus maintaining the elasticity and strength of muscles, which is crucial for preventing falls, back pain, or weakness in the limbs, which are common issues in older adults. Additionally, one hidden but equally important benefit of prunes is their ability to improve digestion and stabilize blood sugar, two factors that directly affect the body's ability to absorb and use nutrients. Prunes contain soluble fiber, the type of fiber that nourishes good gut bacteria, softens stool, and supports easier bowel movements. For those who frequently experience constipation or digestive issues due to aging, this is a gentle yet effective, natural solution. At the same time, fiber slows down the absorption of sugar, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels and support the prevention of diabetes, a disease that significantly impacts muscle and bone health. Simple, convenient. Ways to use prunes. Daily, simply eating about 4 to 5 prunes a day is enough to experience the benefits. You can enjoy prunes as a snack between meals, replacing sweets or fried foods. If you prefer a light yet nutritious breakfast, you can mix chopped prunes with oats, yogurt, or nuts, delicious and good for digestion. Some people also use prunes to cook porridge or stew with chicken, adding a natural sweetness and distinctive flavor to the dish. Note: prunes have a natural sweetness due to their fructose content, but it's still important to consume them in moderation, especially if you are controlling the sugar content in your diet. In conclusion, prunes are one of the nutritional gifts from nature for older adults, easy to eat, easy to store, and capable of supporting muscle recovery, strengthening bones, and improving digestion. Just a few prunes a day can help nourish the strength inside your body, maintaining flexibility and vitality in everyday movement. Apple, a simple fruit with great benefits. When thinking about muscle recovery or improving health after 60, you may immediately think of expensive supplements or intensive exercise regimens. However, sometimes it is the simple, familiar choices that provide surprising results. Apples, a common, easy-to-find, and easy-to-eat fruit, are a perfect example. Behind their modest appearance, apples contain valuable biological compounds that can help you protect and enhance muscle mass while also supporting overall health in a gentle and sustainable way. One of the secret weapons of apples lies in their skin, quercetin, a natural flavonoid with powerful antioxidant properties. Quercetin has been studied and proven to reduce muscle protein breakdown while also stimulating muscle cell growth. Simply put, it both prevents muscle wasting due to aging and supports the rebuilding of new muscle tissue, which is especially important in the process of reversing muscle atrophy in older adults. Not only that, quercetin also helps reduce oxidative stress, one of the silent causes of accelerated aging, including the muscles and bones. Oxidative stress occurs when too many free radicals are produced without being neutralized in time. Apples, thanks to their quercetin content and other antioxidants like vitamin C, can help balance this, thus protecting muscle cells from damage and maintaining strength and flexibility during daily movements. Additionally, an often overlooked but very important benefit for older adults is the feeling of fullness that apples provide. Thanks to their soluble fiber content, pectin, eating apples helps you feel full longer, naturally supporting weight management. Why is this important? Because maintaining a healthy weight not only allows for smooth, flexible movement, but also reduces pressure on joints, lowers the risk of metabolic diseases like diabetes or hypertension factors that can indirectly affect muscle health. How to eat apples to maximize their benefits? Eat them whole, without peeling. As mentioned, most of the quercetin is found in the apple skin, so choose clean apples and wash them thoroughly with salt water or vegetable wash to retain the nutrient-rich skin. Add apples to salads or oats. Thinly slice apples, mix them with greens, nuts, and a light dressing for a delicious, healthful dish. Or you can chop apples to add to your morning oats, a convenient and energy-rich combination. Juice apples. If you don't enjoy eating whole apples, a glass of fresh apple juice in the morning or afternoon is also an ideal choice. However, avoid adding sugar and try to keep as much of the pulp as possible to retain the fiber. In conclusion, apples are one of the simplest fruits, but provide great results in maintaining healthy muscles and protecting the body from the ravages of time. With one apple a day eaten the right way, and regularly, you are taking a small but impactful step towards your long-term health. No need to look far. Sometimes the best solution lies right in your fruit bowl. Conclusion. Age does not mean you have to accept the weakening of your body. Muscles can still be maintained and restored if you know how to take care of them at the right time and in the right way. Adding a few natural fruits like avocado, tart cherries, pomegranate, prunes, or apples to your daily diet is a small yet meaningful step to maintain strength, improve mobility, and reduce the risk of falls, which is very important after 60. These fruits are not only delicious and easy to find, but also rich in nutrients that nourish muscles from within and support digestion, improve circulation, and enhance sleep. No need for medications or complicated exercise routines. Just with these simple, everyday choices, you can accompany your body in a sustainable and loving way. If you found this sharing helpful, please like, subscribe to the Senior Health channel, and turn on notifications to continue receiving valuable videos on nutrition, lifestyle, and senior health. With Senior Health, live well, live happily, live proactively every day.